Place a carrier belt on a belted IntelliROL unit. These are the items required. Safety. Always lock out power source and follow recommended safety procedures. At the charge end of the zone, remove the end roller and all of the gravity rollers in that zone. Remove the finger guard. Remove the discharge end roller. Disconnect the cable from the driver card. Remove the IntelliROL roller bracket. Push in the axle and lift the roller to remove the poly V-belt and the old carrier belt. Reverse the order to reinstall the new carrier belt and poly V-belt. Make sure the poly V-belt is aligned in the grooves. Reinstall the finger guard. Verify the finger guard is not interfering with the poly V-belt. Reinstall the IntelliROL roller bracket and torque bracket hex nuts to 2.2 foot-pounds plus or minus 10%. Connect the driver card. Reinstall the gravity rollers. Use a putty knife to shift the roller and to protect the frame finish until the axle springs pop into the hex hole. This step uses the MHS Conveyor ITR full width belt installation tool. Part number 11-86633. Place the tool between the rollers and turn. Move the tool upwards to reinstall the roller. Use a putty knife to shift the roller and to protect the frame finish until the axle springs into the hex hole. If not using the MHS Conveyor ITR full width belt installation tool, it will take 2 people to reinstall the charge end roller. The first person will use 2 large screwdrivers to pry the end roller over and align the axle to the hex hole in the channel. On the other side of the conveyor, the second person will tap the axle with a plastic hammer until the first person can see the axle project through the hex hole in the channel. Check to make sure the carrier belt is not pinched or folded. For more maintenance videos, visit MHS-Conveyor.com.